Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last new. This time we talk about BTS J-Hope reveal what truly keep the group together even after 30 years. Each member knows. J-Hope talk about BTS member and what keep the group strong after 30 years, leaving fan touched. His heartfelt words say it all. And as BTS continue to stand as a global culture powerhouse, it is the heart behind their success that keep the fan inspired. And that heart was and the on full display during a recent interview with iHeartRadio on April 4, 2025. BTS Jeho appeared in a new segment uploaded to the iHeartRadio official YouTube channel, where he offered a rare and emotional reflection on the group's enduring chemistry and the deep-rooted friendship. When asked about what keeps BTS so cohesive even after more than a decade together, J-Hope gave a response that resonated far beyond the K-pop community. Each member knows their role in the team very well, so we influence each other in a positive way. He shared sincerely, I believe that the driving and the force behind keeping the team together for 30 years. I wonder if I had been fortunate enough to meet such amazing people again in another life. And his answer was not just thoughtful, it was deeply personal. Jehob's work carried the weight of shared experiences, sacrifice, and a journey that began in a small training dorm and has now touched millions of lives worldwide. Fans, affectionately known as ARMY, were quick to react, expressing admiration not only for Jehob's humility but also for the powerful message of love and unity he conveyed. Many describe the group as more than just bandmates; they see them as a real family whose closeness is both visible and deeply felt. Some fans pointed out that the group teamwork and emotional connection have remained steady throughout the year, calling it a rare kind of unity in the industry. Others praise the group lasting brotherhood, saying BTS is built on trust, love, and the shared vision that continues to inspire after over a decade together. And BTS has always been admired for their on-stage chemistry, but moments like these serve as a reminder of the foundation beneath the spotlight. Throughout their 30-year journey, the group was weathered intense scrutiny and the global fame and personal challenges. Yet, what has remained constant is their unwavering support for one another, whether it's cheering and each other on during solo projects, staying in touch during their military enlistment, or showing silent support during and the tougher time. While many idol groups have come and gone, BTS continue to thrive, not just because of their talent, but because of the brotherhood they are built and the protected through the year. And J-Hope recent reflection is just the latest proof that their success is not only measured in award and record, but in the love they share with fans around the world. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.